Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another unboxing of another watch from WishDoit. And just like with the GMT, this watch was sent to me for free by WishDoit and I do get to keep it after the review. In the outer packaging, guys, do you want to see me rip open the outer packaging as well? Let me know in the comments. We have this little link adjustment tool, and then we have the same packaging, it seems like, the GMT, with the inner box really being tightly stuck in the outer paper packaging. It's okay, it's small and sturdy and does its job. And inside we have whoa, a larger polishing cloth this time. Warranty card, not filled in. We have the watch itself, and that's it. Let's see if they have the same plastic on this watch as they have on the other ones. And the big question is, the bracelet the same or have they improved? Now WishDoit are following the trend of the loom blocks, and here we have the Aqua Storm. Plastic removal time. Man, that was a lot of plastic. Now before I get into the watch head itself, I have some really good news. The bracelet is way tighter. Still polishing, high polish on the sides, brushing. We have female end links this time. And we have another clasp with push buttons. And a mill center that's stainless steel. Awesome! And here we have the watch itself, the Sea Storm. A bit more plastic. As you can see, they're following the trend with the loom blocks. And considering how good the loom was on previous watches, I would reckon it's even better on this one. We have some texturing to that dial. We have a logo at the 12 o'clock, the WishDoit logo. I wonder if that's loom as well. How is that bezel? Good. It's pretty good actually. Aligns well. Not much AR coating, it seems like, on that sapphire crystal. But all in all, guys, that's a pretty cool watch. Let's see some measurements, because the other ones from WishDoit have not been true to what AliExpress says. No, so the website AliExpress says is 40mm watch. I get it at 39 millimeters, I guess. And that bezel making it 40. And that crown seems way bigger than the previous crowns. 6.4. So some big improvements from WishDoit. Overall quality of the watch head seems really good. So nothing else to do right now. No quick release. Decent fit to the lugs. Some slightly sharp edges. Etching on the case back. Cool. That's a pretty nice little watch. Or little. Roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Plenty of links to spare. But this is how it's gonna wear on my wrist. And I dare say that's gonna look nice. Date at the 3 o'clock, a bit Christopher wording with different hands, but enough elements. That's actually a really nice chamfer edge. Enough of its own elements to make it have some personality. So as usual, I'm gonna wear it for a while and then get back to you guys with a review. You can find this watch in the description down below. But hey, better bracelet, a better clasp. I'm happy with that. Cool. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, take care stay safe, and bye bye.